clean, okay? I gotta film. Stop it. Hi guys, it's Amelia here, and I have another Amelia Cooks for you. I am going to be making an egg sandwich. Really good egg sandwich. So I found this recipe from one of my favorite YouTubers, Study to Success again. She makes the best recipes. And these are the ingredients. You need 2 pieces of bread if you're making 1 serving. But if you're making 2 servings, then you need 4 pieces of bread. So 2 per sandwich. And I'm making one for me and my dad. So I have 4 pieces of bread. This is for my eggshells. I have some ham, 2 pieces. Only need 1 if you're making 1 serving. You need a knife to cut the bread, and you need 2 eggs, cheese, and salt and pepper. All right, here's how you make it. So you're gonna take your piece of bread that is gonna be on top and cut it like this. Move this one right there, and then you're gonna cut it just around the rim, so it's only like a frame of the bread. I know no one calls them frames, but I don't know what else to call it. It doesn't have to be perfect, because it's just gonna be what holds in the egg. And then, cut. And obviously be careful with the knife. This is just a butter knife. It can cut easily, and it won't hurt me. Good stuff. All right, now that you have the frame of the bread, you're gonna put it right on top. Oh, and you have to put your ham right on the bread that's not cut, and put this right on top. So I'm gonna do this again with the other piece of bread. Okay, that's good. And then put it on the other side. Okay, it looks good. So we're going to take the egg and put it right in here, in the hollow part. Probably best to use 2 hands. Perfect, right in the middle. And okay, next. Okay, there we go. Okay. All right, make sure to wash your hands when you're done with egg, because not good to have egg in your hands when you're cooking. Okay. Almost ready, and now I'm gonna put on the cheese. I love cheese, so I'm gonna put extra on mine. Dad loves cheese too, so they can be equal. Plenty of cheese. Now for the salt and pepper. With the salt, you're just gonna sprinkle it on, just not too much. That's plenty. Pepper. Looking good. Okay. All right, so we're gonna put those in the oven for 400 and for 15 minutes. All right, they're fresh out of the oven and incredibly hot, so I'm gonna wait a few minutes before taking these out of the tray. And there they are. They look really, really good. And let's cut them. All right, let's see how it tastes. Father, and the drink, and for me, I have eggnog. Okay. Looks good.
It's delicious.
Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.